Mastering dining etiquette. Handling leftovers like a pro. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a very important topic in our Dining Etiquette series, which is all about handling leftovers. This might sound like a small thing, but knowing what to do with leftovers when you're dining can be a big part of showing respect to both your host and the food you've enjoyed. Let's get started. Handling leftovers in a respectful and appropriate way is a vital part of dining etiquette. Why, you might ask? Well, it shows appreciation for the effort that went into preparing the meal, and it also shows respect for the value of food. Always remember that leftovers are not waste. They represent the effort, resources, and time that went into making the meal. If you're dining at a restaurant and you're unable to finish your meal, there's no need to worry. It's perfectly acceptable to ask the server to pack the leftovers for you. Use phrases like, "Could I have this to go, please?" Or, "Could you pack this for me, please?" This is seen as an appreciation of the food, and it's a common practice in many cultures. If you're a guest at someone's house and you can't finish your meal, the rules are a bit different. Always remember to politely express how much you enjoyed the meal, even if you couldn't finish it all. Avoid wrapping up the food yourself unless the host offers you to do so. It's important to follow the host's lead in this situation. Leftovers should always be treated with respect. This not only means handling them properly, but also making sure they are used and not wasted. Reducing food waste is a huge part of global sustainability efforts, and each of us can contribute by making sure our leftovers get used. You can either eat them at a later meal or use them to create a new dish. Well, that wraps up our lesson on handling leftovers in our Dining Etiquette series. We hope this video has been helpful, giving you more confidence and knowledge about this often overlooked aspect of dining etiquette. Remember, it's all about showing respect and appreciation for the food and the effort that went into making it. We look forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Keep exploring, and happy learning!